Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export an image from Figma. It's a quick and simple process, and perfect if you need to save assets for presentations, websites, or design projects. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and going to figma.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project that contains the image you want to export. When your project opens, select the specific image or design element you're planning to download. After selecting it, look over to the right-hand toolbar in Figma. Scroll down until you find the Export section and click on it to open the Export options. A drop-down menu will appear where you can choose your preferred file format. For most situations, PNG is a great choice, so go ahead and select PNG from the list. Once everything is set the way you want it, click the Export button. Figma will automatically generate and download the image to your computer. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully exported an image from Figma. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see next.